Getting rid of fever, cough, cold may seem like a dream, but trust me, it is possible. However, you have to first know what is making you sick. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Devyani Agrawal, Senior Homeopathy Consultant at Art of Curing. In my 10 years of experience, I have helped thousands of patients and provided them drug-free and healthy life with the gentle approach of homeopathy. So in my today's video, I will be telling you why your child is always sick or catch cough, cold and fever so frequently. And in the end, I will be telling you some simple tips to manage it while sitting at home. So keep watching this video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. First one is immune system disorder, and it happens when your immune system does not fight against antigen or infection. So what can cause immune system poor? First one is malnutrition or poor diet. Connecting in dietitian is always helpful if your child is getting sick again and again because of not eating properly, or if you are confused that what to give your child to boost their immunity. Another and most important reason of poor immune system is as soon as your child is getting sick and you are giving them anti-allergic, antibiotics, nasal sprays that contains lots of steroidal medicines and also cough syrups. So my suggestion is for you all that stop doing all these things because you are not giving your child a good solution to boost their immunity. But these treatments are not good for them because they are causing more suppression within the body, and that is making their immune system is really poor. What you can do is wait till 3-4 days, let them rest, give them proper hydration, proper food, and connect a homeopathic doctor because homeopathic medicine is really good for immunity and it will not cause suppression within the body, or it makes immune system really strong. Vitamin D deficiency can be the another reason of poor immunity. So what you need to do is you need to add fatty fish, egg yolk, some mushrooms in your child diet, and also let them play at least 30 minutes each day in the sunlight. And also if you want to know more about vitamin D, then you can watch our previous video. Apart from that, sleep, hydration and maintaining hygiene while washing hands frequently. Now I am telling some do and don'ts if your child is getting sick. First one is keep them hydrated. Second is do not give them any medicine, even Calpol or antibiotic medicine till the time fever reaches 1 or 2 because it shows the severity of infection, and also let their immunity work by its own. So third one is room ventilation is important, and if the child is having high fever, then do not do sponging and do not cover them in a blanket or heavy clothing. Wear them light clothing and proper lighting should be there. Apart from that, you can give them homemade kada of ginger, turmeric, black pepper or some tulsi leaves instead of cough syrups. And lastly, give them light food and boiled but lukewarm water. So infection is all around us, and fever, cough, cold is natural immune response against the infection. So my suggestion is for you all that do not suppress your fever, cough, cold by giving your child anti-allergic and antibiotics treatment. What you need to do is wait till 3-4 days, let their immunity fight its own. And if you want any support from us, go in the description box below. There is an inquiry form. You need to fill the form and we will be reaching out to you. Okay, bye bye. Happy to help.